2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat SRT. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it, got stock converters there and there. Then it's got the factory X pipe on 3-inch pipe. Then what we put on it, 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws in the middle, right there, right there. Part numbers 15430S. If you guys want them, there'll be a link in the description for them. And then we did a rear muffler delete on each side, there and there, and put some massive 5-inch tips rolled there and there. Because you know what? That's how they need to come from the factory. They look so much cleaner and better with 5-inch tips. Right there. We'll have a link in the description for them too, hopefully. There's the 2 mufflers and 2 resonators we cut off. That was before, and this is after. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. Dodge Charger 2020 Hellcat. And it's a wide body. Sorry, I forgot. Much better. Is that exactly what you wanted? Woo! Wow. That was perfect. Your sound decibels? Again? 122, bro. That is sick. I gotta get me one, man. I'm jealous. Nah, you got the truck. Yeah, but it's not the same. Truck is for a truck. It's that wide body 2020 SRT. It's screaming. Heck yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. We've got a YouTube channel. You know about our YouTube channel, right? Yeah. It's screaming. You like that sound? You want yours like that?